Good evening, I'm Nel from Hello Automotive South Africa, part of the product management team and also responsible for sales. So we've parked the vehicle in a 4x4 environment to actually showcase what the auxiliary lights could do. So Dale is turning on the vehicle's headlights. It's only the vehicle's main headlights that are switched on with the low beam. You can see at the moment it's only the low beams that are on with the position light, which is for additional safety for oncoming traffic to see the vehicle as well, and the low beams is used for normal driving, and then when he switches on the high beam, you will see the difference, which is used for additional lighting in different environments, driving on open roads, and also in 4x4 environments for additional lighting and safety. So fog lights, as you can see here, are commonly used in misty or rainy conditions to increase driver's visibility and also for visibility for oncoming traffic. With only the vehicle's low beam switched on, the visibility is fairly limited, and now while you'll be switching on the additional auxiliary lights with the high beam, you will see the increase in visibility. With the Hello auxiliary headlights switched on together with the vehicle's high beam, you can clearly see the area illuminated in the off-road path and highlighting any obstacles or obstructions to the driver's view. Thank you for joining us for this Hello auxiliary light demonstration. Till next time.